This is a brief review of the Thermaltake Dual-drive docking station. I have discovered this product has a design flaw. It does not have enough power supply output to start up two drives simultaneously. The power supply has an output of 12 volts at 3 amps, which is 36 watts, and this is not enough for certain drives to start them up simultaneously. Here I have two drives inserted into the docking station. It's not hooked up to a computer. I'm going to be plugging the docking station, and it is going to fail to start these drives all by itself, so the computer has no involvement here. Plug it in. So it's trying to start both drives. The power supply can't handle it and resets itself and shuts down, and then restarts, and so the drives cannot be successfully spun up. And they just hum repeatedly trying to start and failing. Now, although this is a design flaw, this is most likely correctable if the firmware can be updated in the docking station. What they can do is individually spin up each drive, so that when this drive is fully spun up, then spin up this one. So then the limited output will not be an issue to get this fully functional.